If you're tired of spending endless hours preparing meals, I've got some game-changing gadgets that will revolutionize the way you cook. These 10 must-have cooking tools are designed to save you time and make your life easier, without compromising on flavor or fun. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll wonder how you ever cooked without them. Ever wish you had an extra pair of hands in the kitchen? Meet the automatic pan stirrer, a genius gadget that stirs your sauces, soups, and stews for you. Just set it up in your pot, turn it on, and let it do the work while you focus on other tasks. Whether you're simmering a delicate sauce or cooking a hearty stew, this tool ensures even cooking and prevents burning. No more standing over the stove, endlessly stirring. This little helper does it all for you. Up next is a smart solution for those who love precision in the kitchen, the Smart Chopping Board. This gadget is equipped with a built-in weight scale, timer, knife sharpener, and even a knife cleanser. It's like having a mini kitchen assistant right on your countertop. Whether you're measuring ingredients, keeping track of cooking time, or ensuring your knives are sharp and clean, this board does it all. It's a complete kitchen station in one sleek design. Now, for something a bit nostalgic with a modern twist, the pop-up hot dog toaster. Perfect for quick meals or snack time, this gadget toasts your buns and cooks your hot dogs simultaneously. Just pop them in, and in a few minutes, you've got perfectly cooked hot dogs ready to go. It's a fun and efficient way to make a classic American snack without the hassle of boiling water or firing up the grill. Ever struggle with cooking multiple items at once? The multi-section frying pan is here to save the day. With separate sections for different foods, you can cook your eggs, meat and veggies all in one go, without the flavors mixing. It's perfect for busy mornings when you need to prepare a full breakfast in a fraction of the time. Plus, it cuts down on the number of pans you need to wash. If you love pasta but hate waiting for water to boil, the microwave pasta cooker is a game changer. Just add your pasta, water, and pop it in the microwave. In just minutes, you'll have perfectly cooked pasta, ready to be sauced and served. It's perfect for quick dinners or when you're craving a late-night snack. And the best part? No more heavy pots to clean. Peeling fruits and vegetables can be a tedious task, but not with the automatic peeler. This gadget takes the effort out of peeling, effortlessly removing the skin from potatoes, apples, and more in seconds. Just place your produce on the holder, turn it on, and watch it do the work. It's a must-have for anyone who loves cooking with fresh ingredients but doesn't want to spend all day prepping. Next, we've got a gadget that will take your herb chopping to the next level: herb scissors. These specially designed scissors have multiple blades that allow you to snip herbs directly into your dish. No more struggling with a knife or picking off tiny leaves. Just a few snips and you've got perfectly chopped herbs ready to garnish your meals. It's quick, easy, and mess-free. Love making pancakes but hate the mess? Silicone pancake molds are here to save the day. These flexible molds help you create perfectly shaped pancakes every time. Just place the mold on your pan, pour in the batter, and wait for your pancake to cook. The molds keep the batter in place, so you get beautiful, uniform pancakes that are sure to impress. Making fresh salads is great, but drying the greens can be a pain. That's where the salad spinner comes in. With just a few spins, you can remove all the excess water from your greens, making them crisp and ready to eat. No more soggy salads, just fresh, crunchy greens every time. It's a time saver for anyone who loves a good salad but hates the prep work. Finally, we have the ultimate all-in-one gadget: the Multifunction Breakfast Station. This compact machine lets you brew coffee, toast bread, and fry eggs all at the same time. It's perfect for small kitchens or anyone who wants to streamline their morning routine. Imagine having your entire breakfast ready in minutes, with minimal effort. It's the ultimate time-saving gadget for busy mornings. And there you have it. So, which gadget are you most excited to try out? Let me know in the comments below.